Improve course accessibility with UDOIT. Canvas courses at the University of Kentucky have access to UDOIT, an embedded accessibility review and revision tool from the CD Labs suite of apps. To get started, find the UDOIT link in your Canvas menu. If you don't see the link, go to the Settings menu. Choose Navigation. Search for UDOIT in the Disabled Link list. Enable the link and save your settings. Click the link to open the UDOIT interface. The home screen will display errors based on type. View the total number of errors in your course and see suggestions for improving. You can also choose how you want to begin. Start with the easiest errors to fix or sort by content type. When you're ready to begin, click Get Started. Errors will display individually in the interface. Click Review for any error displaying, and follow the suggestions to fix the error, then save your revisions. You can navigate to the next error using the previous and next buttons in the lower right of the interface until you are finished addressing any errors listed in your course. You can also move directly to the UFixIt menu to begin working on individual course components right in the interface. UDOIT is a great tool to improve accessibility in your course.